Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about Bank Nifty 3 minutes strategy. I'm using the website in.tradingview.com. Here I selected Bank Nifty and the time frame I selected here is 3 minutes. Here we need two indicators. One is exponential moving average. The other one is RSI. Alright. The EMA, go to the EMA settings. Let's change it to 50. Alright. The RSI, go to the settings, change the length to 3 and the upper band as 80, lower band as 20. Okay. Now in this strategy, we do scalping. The target would be 1:1. Now as we see, this is today's Bank Nifty chart, that is 11th of January. Okay. Now in order to buy, we have to have two consecutive green candles. Say for example, here we have two candles, green candles. The two candles, one of the candle, that is the second candle, should be, the RSI should be above 80. In this case, our criteria matches, but this wick is telling us that there is a rejection, so we don't take any trade here. Now let us see if we get some other opportunity. And remember one thing, whenever we do a buying in Bank Nifty, it should be above the 50 EMA. Say for example, yeah, here we got an opportunity, right? This RSI is 78, followed with another green candle. Here it is 82. Now here we can take a trade by keeping the stop loss at the opening of this candle. Alright. Now I take the trade at the close of this candle. I enter, I buy Bank Nifty. Now I will exit 1:1. Okay. So my target would be somewhere here. This would be my target. I exit here. My entry is here. My exit is here. And my stop loss is here. So you can backtest this. Let's see the previous day chart. Let's see the previous day chart. Yes, here. Let's see here. This is a green candle. This is followed with another green candle. Here our criteria is not matching, but look at this candle. This is 89. The RSI is above 80. So we can take an entry here, and our stop loss would be here. This one. Now I will end the trade exactly at this point. If I am getting an exit here, I will exit here in this candle, but unless until my stop loss is hit, I am not exiting from the trade. Alright, now I will exit at this point where I can make some 30 points, 40 points target. Okay, profit. Now let's see for the selling side. For selling, you have to keep in mind that the candle should form below the EMA, 50 EMA. All right. Now let's see this condition here. See, the condition here is two red candles, and one of the candle should be, the RSI should be less than 20. Now here I have a candle which is at 24 RSI. The second red candle is at 18 RSI, and it is below the 50 EMA. Now I will enter at the close of this red candle, and my stop loss would be the high of the previous red candle. Alright, now I take enter here and I exit after the another 3 minutes candle. So basically it's a scalping what we are doing here, and we will wait till a stop loss is hit, and we'll wait for our target. How many points, 10 to 20, 30 points we can make every day in Bank Nifty using this technique. We can do back testing on this as well. See this one, this RSI is at 41, again this RSI is at 20, like see 20. So this is not fulfilling our criteria, so we are not entering a trade in this. Strictly no trade here, we have to follow the rule. Now look at this 31.17. Yeah, this one we can enter the trade, and this is my stop loss. I enter here. Now my target will be somewhere this, the next candle low. We did a short sell here, right? So this is the 3 minutes Bank Nifty strategy. I hope you all liked this, and please do subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned to get more strategies like this. Thank you, and I wish you all the best.